Students, under the chapter of our environment, today first of all we'll take up the concept of ecosystem. 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 So what is ecosystem? Interaction between biotic and abiotic component. Interaction between biotic and abiotic component or factor. Interaction between biotic and abiotic component is known as ecosystem. Now, what do you mean by biotic? Biotic means living things and abiotic non-living things. Like abiotic components or abiotic factors are soil, sunlight, water, nutrients, pH, and so on. These all are abiotic factors. Biotic factors are living organisms. Living organisms, generally we call them as plants, animals, and microorganisms. But when we study ecosystem, we call them as systematically producers, consumers, and decomposers. Producers are the plants with green pigment, chlorophyll. They produce their own food, so they are called as producers. Consumers are the animal which feed on these producers directly or indirectly. Herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, parasites, all these come under the category of consumers. And decomposers, bacteria and fungi, they decompose the dead body of both the producers and consumers. So all these plant, animal and microorganism together form biotic community, biotic factor or biotic component, and all these together forms abiotic component. Interaction, the relationship between both of them together, we call it as ecosystem. But now if I give you an example, see, before I give example, this ecosystem, it can be categorized into two types. Natural and artificial. Natural and artificial. Natural, like pond ecosystem, lake ecosystem, river ecosystem, grassland ecosystem, marine ecosystem, forest ecosystem. These all are natural ecosystem. Artificial means man-made, like aquarium, garden, park, crop field. All these are example for artificial ecosystem. Anyhow, whether it is natural or artificial, there must be interaction between biotic and abiotic component, and this is the concept of ecosystem.